Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a nice chicken curry, South African style, and we're going to be using actually a whole chicken today. Went ahead and cut up the pieces already. We've got some of the onion is already sauteing in the pan there, so we're just going to make a nice little mix today for a nice Sunday lunch. Ginger and green pepper, really good for you. We're going to go ahead and toss these in. Okay. Let that cook in with the rest of the onion. Okay, let it cook. Go ahead and take our masala. It's already pre-mixed, and this is curry seasoning. It's mixed in there with some red pepper and some cumin. 1, 2. 3. There we go. I just eye the salt. I don't like to use too much salt, but because this is a very flavorful, spicy dish, the salt is not going to overpower the food. And I'm just going to stir that up. And then I'll put a little bit more, because again, it's not going to overpower the food. All right. Okay, so now we're actually going to add just a tiny bit of water in there. I should have already done this. That's okay. We're cooking here. We're going to add all of the chicken. I'm just going to add all of it, just grabbing it. Now this is the whole chicken. I've just cut it up into pieces myself. There's tenderloins, thighs, drumsticks, wings, the whole 9. Here we've got kidneys and the neck. Okay, there we go. Add our potatoes in. These are just Idaho potatoes. I get the Idaho potatoes instead of the red potatoes because the red potatoes take longer to cook. They're actually harder. So if you can find some kind of white or golden potato, just not the red potato, because it does take longer to cook. And we want everything to be relatively ready at the same time.